Welcome to the Rising Dough.
The happiest bakery in town. Where logic meets creativity.
Every morning we bake together. We make the perfect team.
Most of the time.
Tom, the croissant dough is perfect. Temperature is 18 degrees Celsius.
Precise as always, Sarah.
Yeah?
Now, where is the sourdough recipe?
The Grandma Eliza sourdough. Our absolute masterpiece.
Let's start the Grandma Eliza bake. It will be the best one yet.
Sarah, look. Grandma Eliza clearly wrote, fold exactly 12 times.
Tom, that says fold 10 times, lightly. 12 folds will make it tough.
It's an 8, not a 0. Precision matters. This is history.
You are being ridiculous. You can feel the gluten is ready. Sense it.
Sense? This is baking, not magic.
Fine. Have it your way, Mr. 12 Folds.
Fine. Watch me! Fine. If you won't listen to logic, we need boundaries.
Go ahead. I am perfectly fine by myself.
From this point on, we divide the kitchen.
Are you serious? What are you doing with that chalk?
My side. Your side. No crossing over.
Fine.
Stay on your perfect mathematical side.
This is for maximum efficiency. No overlaps.
A line? Can I cross it? Why is nobody smiling? The silence is loud.
Precision needs quiet anyway.
It's peaceful. No nagging about measurements. Just perfect.
12 folds. Exactly 24 degrees. Perfect technique.
I need some affection. But they are both. This is awkward. I need that specific large spatula.
Use your own tools, Mr. Efficiency. This side is blocked.
Timer set. Exactly 45 minutes, not a second more.
Temperature ready, high heat, and intuition. That is the secret.
24 degrees exactly. Science never lies, Sarah.
Oh, yeah? Well, my dough has magic. Feel the power.
Left slap. Right slap. Baking is a noisy sport today.
The customer list, Sarah. Where is it?
It belongs on my side.
On your side, Thomas. Figure it out yourself. Do not cross the line.
Stubborn, so stubborn. She has no respect for classic rules.
Unbelievable rigidity. No heart. Just math, Math, math.
I need to wash my hands. My ring is loose from the flour dust.
Need to get the cold butter. Where is it? Ah, found it.
What is that shiny thing? Smells like Thomas. Delicious?
Almost ready. Wait, Barnaby? No! Barnaby! No! Stop! What did you do?
What? What happened? Sarah, why are you screaming?
He swallowed your ring, Tom. I saw it. He is choking.
My ring! Oh my goodness! No, no, no! Barnaby!
He can't breathe well. Do something, Tom. Hurry!
I don't know what to do. My brain is freezing. Panic.
Focus, Thomas. We need to help him together. Stop panicking.
Okay, listen. You hold his head gently. I will try the abdominal thrusts.
Yes, yes. Okay, buddy. Hold still. I've got you. I was so stubborn. Her quick thinking and brave heart are saving us now.
On 3. Get ready, Tom. 1, 2.
Keep going, Sarah. We can do it. One more time. I've got him tight.
Come on, Barnaby. Spit it out now. 3.
Woof, woof.
Oh, thank goodness. Barnaby, you are okay, my sweet boy.
Oh, thank goodness. He is safe. You did it, Sarah.
And my wedding ring. It's a little messy, but it's safe now.
I am so sorry I yelled, Tom. I was just so terrified of losing our boy.
I am sorry too, Sarah. I should not have drawn that silly line. My pride was too high.
Logic matters, but it means nothing without you, Sarah.
Your technique is precise, Tom. Grandma Eliza's sourdough needs both our heart and your science.
Let me fix this mess. No more walls between us.
Wiping away the cold logic.
And I am wiping away the stubborn pride.
I love you, Sarah. More than 12 folds. More than being right.
I love you too, Tom. More than sensing magic.
Look at this crust. Perfectly folded 11 times.
And baked with absolute love and intuition.
Welcome to the Rising Dough!